Now, two people A and B start their journey from point X. This is a very interesting problem. From X. Okay. A starts at 16 km/h, travels for 1.5 hours and rests for 1.5 hours. A continues to travel at the same speed, and after 4 hours of leaving X, B starts at 28 km/h. So to avoid all the confusion, let us only talk about A. A leaves this point at 16 km/h. Okay. He travels for 1.5 hours. We have distance equal to speed into time. So in 1.5 hours, how much distance will A cover? 16 into 1.5. Correct? Now, he rests for 1.5 hours. So during this 1.5 hours, he does not travel any distance. So that is 0. Now we have that A continues to travel at the same speed, and after 4 hours of leaving A, B starts. So before B starts, A travels for 4 kilometers, so 4 hours, of which 1.5 hours is the initial lap, 1.5 hours is the rest time, and again this 1.5 and 1.5 if you add up, you get 3. So total of 4 hours of transit is there before B starts. So you have 1 more hour of A traveling here. So for that 1 more hour, the distance that he'll cover is 16 into 1. So the total distance covered by A before B begins his travel is 16 into 2.5. This is how much? 32.8, which is 40 kilometers. So A before B starts would have covered 40 kilometers. Okay. Now when A is at this particular point, B begins his journey. Alright. Now what happens is, let us talk about B here. B starts his travel at 28 km/h, and before B overtakes A, how much distance did they cover? So let us say B overtakes A at this point, some point, let's say this is X. As per our previous calculation, we have this to be 40. Okay. So they meet here, which means if they are meeting at this particular point, it means A travels from here to here, while B travels from here to here. Okay. So the distance taken, the time taken by A to travel from here is distance is equal to speed of A. How much? 16 into, he takes some time t. If they are meeting, it means that they have traveled for the same time. Correct? So if I start now, and if someone starts 1 hour after me and both of us are meeting at the same time, then it means that the amount of time that we have taken to travel till that point will be same. So now B should travel how much? 40 plus X. Speed of B is how much? 28. Into time taken will be same as per the logic. So if you take the ratio of these two, X by 40 plus X is equal to 16 by 28. 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. So now we will have to find out the value of X, which will be the distance at which both of these guys will meet. So to simplify this, let us now cross multiply this fraction on both sides. We have 7x is equal to 160 plus 4x. So 3x is equal to 160, x is equal to 160 by 3. This is something like 53 1/3. Okay. So we know that this is the starting point x and they are meeting somewhere here, and this is a point 40 kilometers and this distance is 53 1/3. So from x, where do they meet? From x, if you're talking about, they meet at a point 40 plus 53 1/3 kilometers away, which is 93.33 kilometers. So from x at a distance of 93.33 kilometers, these two guys meet. Okay.